So, if I had one question to ask you, what was the time that you felt that you were most connected to the environment?
You come into this perfect circle of foliage and trees hanging around the top, and a pool of water and one opening in the side that led back out to the ocean. It was quite a magical place.
I was at the bow and there were maybe 50 albatross just flying around me, and even though I was out there alone, I didn't feel by myself. So what I did is I got up on the bow and I just leant over, and maybe it was like the Titanic scene, I don't know, but that wasn't my intention. All I wanted to do was join them in their flight, and that's what I did.
Just that sense of being able to witness, be part of something that has been happening for such a long period of time. For me, that's that sense of connection to our planet that's what's spiritual for me. I'm not a religious person, but that's where I get my spiritual connection. It's that connection to nature.
You've got these amazing views. The albatross are doing their special thing in a field of megahertz, and how you capture all of that at once is you can't. I mean, I don't think any photo can really convey what you kind of experience in a place like that.